Hey, I'm Will from Kricket Restaurants in London. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for butter chicken or an old Delhi chicken, kind of done the proper way. It is a dish that originates from Delhi. It's very rich, it's very comforting, it's not terribly healthy, but it's fairly easy to do. I'm going to show you very quickly how it's done. Right, to start with, we have boneless chicken thigh into a bowl. And what we want to do is marinate the chicken thigh, ideally for like 24 hours, 12 hours. I'm adding turmeric and chili powder. The reason why the marinade would be better for longer is because obviously all the spices and flavors would sort of impart into the chicken and you'll get a more even flavor. A little bit of oil, vegetable oil is fine. Ginger garlic paste. So this is made from equal quantities ginger and garlic, salt, and mix it together. And this is a kind of very basic tandoori marinade. The chicken is the first thing we need to get going, really. We're gonna put the chicken on a tray like that and into the oven. Get some nice color on the chicken. So next we're gonna start with our sauce. In a pan with some oil, vegetable oil is fine. And then we have our spices. We have our bay leaf, Indian bay leaf, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, not too many. What we want to do is drop these spices into the oil and let them start to sort of impart their flavor into the oil. It starts to sizzle a bit, the spices start to sizzle a bit. You kind of know they're releasing their aromas and their flavors into the oil. Ginger garlic paste. It's almost as important as onions in terms of like curries, a lot of curries. Onions, ginger garlic paste, chilies, spices, bases for all curries. So get that going, fry it off a little. Green chili, these are your Indian green chilies, drop them in. These have been split down the middle. And the reason for doing that rather than chopping them is so you get the flavor of the chili rather than the heat. Kashmiri chili powder. So it's used really for its flavor more than its heat profile. Tiny bit of turmeric, not too much. Turmeric should be seen, not really tasted. Once the spices, ginger garlic's cooked off, we add our tomato. You can use tin tomatoes, plum tomatoes, anything really. What you're going to get from good fresh tomatoes is just a better flavor, I think. What you'll get from plum tomatoes is a better, slightly better consistency because it's slightly less watery and the color will be a bit better. Ideally, what you want is for the water in the tomatoes to kind of completely disappear. So put this to one side just to reduce. We serve it in the restaurant with pumpkin and paneer and lots of different things to turn it into a sort of vegetarian version of what it is. You know, this should be fairly straightforward because you should have most of these things lying around in your kitchen anyway. At the moment it's relatively healthy. You know, we've grilled our chicken, we've made a sauce, but this is about indulgence. It's just about comfort. So you see, at this point, the sauce is like, it's pretty thick. At this stage, you can take your whole spices out, you can take your chilies out, you can take your bay leaf out if you like, but I leave them in. Back into a blender. Make sure it's on. There you go, all over the top. That's always gonna happen there. See the color of it? It's changed. On a very low heat, we add our butter, and you can see I've got quite a lot here. Just do it. Butter makes things taste good. We're going to season it at this stage. Salt, sugar. Indian cooking, we tend to season with salt and sugar rather than what we do here, which is salt and pepper. It's that balance of sweet, sour, spicy salty that we're looking for. Give it a little taste. Spicy. So, need some sugar. I'm gonna have some garam masala. So this is a kind of home blend of spices. Okay, next, and this is a very important ingredient that you can get hold of, but you might need to think a little bit further ahead on it, and that's dried fenugreek. And you kind of want to crush that in last like this. And by crushing it, what we get is more flavor from the leaf. You can reserve a little bit for garnish at the end. And that's kind of it, really. All we need to do is add some cream, which is here. So I don't know if you can see, but the sauce is this kind of consistency, this kind of color. And chicken has sort of browned up. Chicken goes into the sauce to kind of finish it off, and that's really it. Have one more taste and then we'll plate up. Okay, so to plate up, nice big family style bowl, chicken into the bowl, and then just to garnish, quite like to replicate flavors that have already gone into the dish already. Just a bit of cream. We've got some finely sliced ginger, kasuri methi or the dried fenugreek, and there we go. It's our old Delhi style chicken, made in half an hour or so. And you put this down in the middle of the table, for the family at night. You need some rice, some bread, and you're done. I hope you all enjoy.